Good morning, dear students. In last video, we see the similarity and right angle triangle theorem on that topic, and next theorem of geometric mean. In this video, we see Pythagoras theorem and converse of Pythagoras theorem. First upon statement of Pythagoras theorem. In 7th standard, we see the Pythagoras theorem and example on Pythagoras theorem. But in 10th standard, to prove the theorem of Pythagoras theorem and again example on Pythagoras theorem. Now the statement is, in a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of remaining two sides. This is the figure. Here triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, and to prove here the square of hypotenuse is equal to, this is the hypotenuse and these two are the remaining two sides. AC is the hypotenuse, AB and BC are the remaining two sides. Okay. Draw the figure by using pencil. Don't use the pen. For clarity purpose मैंने पेन से फिगर ड्रॉ की. Okay. Now what is the given? Here given is triangle ABC is a right angle. Therefore given in a triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. And how to prove? The square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides. This is the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse and remaining two sides are AB and BC. Therefore to prove here, AC square, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of remaining two sides, means AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now the proof. Now the construction is, here draw perpendicular BD. Draw perpendicular BD on side AC such that D lies between A and C. Therefore draw perpendicular segment BD on line AC. Proof. In a right angle triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC is a right angle triangle, segment BD is perpendicular to hypotenuse AC. AC is the hypotenuse and this is the construction. This is your construction. Okay. ये सेगमेंट ड्रॉ करने की वजह से आपको टू न्यू ट्रायंगल फॉर्म मिले. First is triangle ADB and second is triangle BDC. And we know that the similarity of right angle triangle theorem first of this chapter, this triangle ADB, triangle BDC and original triangle ABC are similar by using transitivity property. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB is similar to triangle BDC. Means original triangle is similar to two new triangles, and reason is similarity of right angle triangle. First take the original triangle and one new triangle is similar. Means triangle ABC is similar to triangle ADB. These two triangles are similar. Therefore their sides, corresponding sides are in proportion. AB की corresponding side कौन सी है? AD. BC की DB और AC की कौन सी है? AB. Okay. Therefore their corresponding sides are in proportion. AB upon AD is equal to BC upon DB is equal to AC upon AB. Corresponding sides are in proportion. Now take two ratios of equal, means AB upon AD. Here AC upon AB. Here AB, here also AB. Therefore take AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB. AB upon AD is equal to AC upon AB. Cross multiplication we get AB into AB. AB square is equal to AC into AD and give the number first. Similarly take a triangle. Take triangle ABC is similar to triangle BDC. Remaining new triangle. Here AB, write down the corresponding sides. Now their corresponding sides are AB की BD, BC की DC और AC की कौन सी है? BC. Therefore, AB upon BD is equal to BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. Now take two ratios with equal sides. Here BC upon DC, here AC upon BC, here BC and here also BC. Therefore, BC upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. Cross multiplication BC into BC, BC square is equal to AC into DC. Give the number second. From first and second, adding first and second. First plus second. Here AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into AD plus AC into DC. Here in this AC and in this side also AC. Therefore, common AC and the remaining terms are AD plus DC. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC into bracket AD plus DC. Now see the figure. From figure, AD plus DC means क्या AC, because D lies between A and C. Therefore, AD plus DC is equal to AC. Therefore, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC, and the value of this bracket is AC. AC into AC is equal to AC into AC, AC square means AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That is, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC is the hypotenuse, AB and BC are the remaining two sides. Hence the proof. Now the example on Pythagoras theorem. The first example number first is, in a right angle triangle, sides making right angle are 5 cm and 12 cm. Find the length of the hypotenuse. This is triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, measurement of angle B is 90 degree. Therefore, write in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, what is given? Side making a right angle are 5 cm and 12 cm. Means these two sides, side AB and side BC form a right angle. Therefore, this length is 5 cm and this is 12 cm. Therefore, here to find the hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. If you apply the Pythagoras theorem, what is the Pythagoras theorem? Pythagoras theorem is the sum of square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of square of remaining two sides. Okay, therefore AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. By substituting value here to find the hypotenuse, therefore write as it is, value of AB is 5 square and value of BC is 12 square. 5 square is equal to 25, 12 square is equal to 144. 25 plus 144 is equal to 169 AC square. Now taking square root on both sides, we get AC is equal to 13 centimeter, and this is the length of hypotenuse. Okay. Now next is converse of Pythagoras theorem, and the statement is, in a triangle, if the square of one side is equal to the sum of the square of the remaining two sides, then the triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay. This is the triangle ABC. What is the given? Here, given things is square of the one side is equal to the sum of the square of remaining two sides. Therefore, given in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to remaining sum of remaining two sides, means AB square plus BC square. And to prove, what is to prove? Here, to prove, then the triangle is a right angle triangle, means here to prove angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. One of the angle is 90 degree. One of the measure of one of the angle is 90 degree. Then the triangle is called as the राइट एंगल मीन्स आपको क्या दिखाना है, ट्राइंगल एबीसी इज राइट एंगल, दैट इज टू प्रूव एंगल एबीसी इज इक्वल टू 90 degree. Therefore construction is draw another triangle ABC, draw another triangle PQR such that AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Okay, therefore this is the triangle PQR such that length of PQ is equal to length of AB, means AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Okay, this triangle PQR is a right angle triangle. Therefore, apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle PQR. What is PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. Therefore, in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square by using Pythagoras theorem. But what is the construction? In construction, PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. Therefore, by substituting the value of PQ and QR, value of PQ is AB. Therefore, AB square plus QR की value क्या है? BC square. But in given AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. This is the given AC square. Give the number first and reason construction. Okay, PR square is equal to AC square. Here write, give the number second and reason given. This is the given things. Value of AB square plus BC square is AC square. Taking square root on both sides, we get PR is equal to AC. Here in construction, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and PR is equal to AC. Give the number third. Therefore, by using SSS test, triangle ABC and triangle PQR are congruent. By using SSS test, therefore triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by using SSS test. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle PQR is equal to 90 degree. Hence the proof. In triangle LMN, L is equal to 5, M is equal to 13, N is equal to 12. State whether the triangle LMN is a right angle triangle or not. Solution. Here L is equal to 5, M is equal to 13 and N is equal to 12. Therefore, L is equal to 5, L square is equal to 25. M is equal to 13, M square is equal to 169. N is equal to 12, therefore N square is equal to 144. Therefore, here M square is equal to L square plus N square. 25 plus 144 we get 169. Therefore, by converse of Pythagoras theorem, triangle LMN is a right angle triangle. Triangle LMN is a right angle triangle. Now the example for practice is in triangle PQR, PQ is equal to root 8, QR is equal to root 5, PR is equal to root 3. Is a triangle PQR is a right angle triangle? Question mark. If S, which angle is of 90 degree? Okay. Solve and also solve the practice set of 2.1. Okay. Thank you.